Gerali lituko olia ikomi omutinyi ikomi omwaka w'ekiribubere na 2025 nelituko linene lyanyaraka bali gochengerwa habuna lituko lya masingira gose lituko lya bintu bito etanaine ase ense ya Kenya nomega gosemega nyaraka bagakoreka ase chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya ase county ya Nairobi nigo muigoyorawo amono muraibu ense moske William Samuel Ruto ime ya magacho a State House Nairobi kolende hase county ya Kisii nigo muiga omonene honyaraka bokora wa mono muwasiri bwechisemi musike Education Migos Ogamba ase eskuru ya Kenyoro eywe gotoka ime ye bunge Hector North county ya Kisii munagotumanyia omorikito Daniel Ontiri
Chinga Kenya yalinge gochengera lituko libinto bitonchukanaine kurwase county ya Kisii omoyogoyo nigoragwa n'omwaziri w'ichisemi omoske Migos Ogamba moiga okoreka se skuru y'oboroso ya Kenyoro ime ya monyerero kitutu cha North aiga Migos nigo hara baraibande gatiabo habubwatani ao bakoragwa n'omubunge w'ensemeyo Moske Jafeth Nyakundi gati yabubwatani banda bange oikerania ekirenga kyogosime kimete chibilion 15 wiko mwaka w'ekiribubere na 30.
So I want to encourage each and every one of you to take up the call by His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to at least plant a tree or 2 trees or 3 trees or 10 trees. We've been able to do that as a country. If we do that, we could also be able to meet that 15 billion target before 2030 as we had anticipated.
Ukwana chinga kecho boigo nigaboria aborokigwa kubwatira masomo koboko na gwetanga kurwa sobosali ao igatiabo okorobekana chiskuru egento gekoirene masomo abo magega na koleta sara asabaibuli.
So I want to encourage the students to engage in dialogue with the schools so that if they have issues that need to be done, they are dealt with without them resulting into committing arson, which is also a crime, by the way, and some of them are being arrested, so that those issues can be resolved amicably between the students and the institutions. We also ask the parents to engage with their students, their children, so that they encourage them when there is an issue to have those issues discussed in an amicable way, so that we do not reach the level of destroying school property because it becomes expensive, you lose time, and the parents have to redo, and they have to be charged afresh to pay for whatever is destroyed.
Asensemo yichisemi nigakwana igoro yumokyoye nichinkwana nabatenili bechisemi koenekebuna omogiro waborokigwa wechi university oikeiro moelio.
The lecturer strike they had a meeting yesterday in Nairobi between the universities and the lecturers and SRC, and they've agreed that they form a technical team that is going to look at the payrolls to confirm how much money has been paid out of the money that they are requesting for. And we've encouraged them to talk to their members, the lecturers, to go back to class as that issue is being resolved.
Komenta nayo Nyakundi nigasegeta abamenyi bensemeyo kobekumukia asogosime mete.
As you know, Kenya has won several awards on issues to do with environment, more especially our president, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who has won a couple of awards because of being a champion of planting trees and the issues to do with green energy. So we want to encourage each and every one of us, wherever we are, that we should continue planting trees because they are for our own benefit and the benefit of our people.
Nichinga kecho eskuru ya Kenyoro ya watukiro bokonyi webitabu asaborokigwa. Chibese chokora chi computer na magaye Migos obeka ligina lyomosingi. Asamagacho yibera sibere biya asekemo kera chigotumeka buni lab. Bunecheremo yukinia masomo hasi skuru yoboroso ya Kenyoro nelia ye secondary. Power ya Migos. Nkoroba teregeta sene kya Getembe kuroiga se county ya Kisii litrene ngurukwa Daniel Ontiri.